Good morning children. Today in the third video I am going to explain you question number 6 to 10 of exercise 40. We are going to solve the exercise 40 from question number 6 to 10. We have done from 1 to 5 before and now we are going to do from 6 to 10. Now in question number 6 what is saying? What is question number 6 saying? So the maximum temperature on a day is 35 degrees Celsius and the minimum temperature is 25 degrees Celsius. What is the difference of these temperatures in Fahrenheit scales? So here you have been given maximum temperature and minimum temperature. So I am not going to use the same numbers. I will take another number. So question number 6, how to solve this we will see. So here instead of 35 if I take 45, okay, 45 degrees Celsius, and this is your maximum temperature. This is the maximum temperature and you have been given 35 degree Celsius and this is the minimum temperature. Now the question is asking what is the difference of these temperatures in Fahrenheit. So you have got the temperature in Celsius, you have to convert this into Fahrenheit. So first of all what we have to do, we will find the difference of the two temperatures. So the difference we will get the maximum temperature minus minimum temperature. Okay, so what is the maximum temperature? We have 45 and minimum temperature is 35. Now subtract this, we will get 10. Okay, 10 degree Celsius. Now this 10 degree Celsius we have to convert into Fahrenheit scale. We have to convert this 10 degrees Celsius into Fahrenheit scale. So we can use the formula also which we have said. So Celsius is given. To convert this we have F is equal to 9 by 5 C plus 32. Okay, this is the formula which we are using, which we can use to find out the temperature in Fahrenheit if the temperature is given in the Celsius scale. So we write 9 by 5 and what is C over here? C is your temperature in Celsius and that is 10 degree plus 32. Okay, that is 32. Now we can simplify. This is 2 times. So this is 18 plus 32. So this is your 50. You get 50. And what is 50? This 50 is your 50 degree Fahrenheit. This is 50 degree Fahrenheit. The temperature in Celsius is 10 degrees Celsius. When we have converted this 10 degrees Celsius into Fahrenheit, we have got the answer as 50 degree Fahrenheit. So this you had to do in question number 6. Now we will solve question number 7. So in question number 7, what it is asking, just let us see. Now in question number 7, the maximum temperature on a day is 113 degree Fahrenheit and minimum temperature is 86 degree Fahrenheit. So here what you see? Here we see that the temperature is given in Fahrenheit. Okay, the temperature is given in Fahrenheit and we have to find the difference in the Celsius scale. We have to find the difference in the Celsius scale. So the maximum temperature on a day is 130. So instead of that we can, you see the numbers I am changing, the digits I am changing children, and you will take the help and you can solve it like that. I am showing you the process how to do. So when I write over here the maximum temperature on a day, so maximum temperature, question number 7, maximum temperature is 123, okay, 23 degree Fahrenheit. And minimum temperature we have 96 degree Fahrenheit, okay. Minimum is 96 degree Fahrenheit. So what you have to do, what is the difference of these temperatures in the Celsius scale? Now you have to find out the difference of these temperatures in Celsius scale. So you can use the formula, which you can use the steps which has been given in your book, okay. The difference, what has been given in your book you can use, like first you can convert this 123 degree Fahrenheit into Celsius, 96 degree Fahrenheit into Celsius, okay. Like that also you can do. First step we have done with the formula. Now here we can do it like that. So how to convert degree Fahrenheit into degree Celsius, okay, into degree Celsius. To convert this, what are the steps given? First step is subtract, okay. Subtract 32. Subtract 32. After subtracting 32, multiply by 5. So multiply by 5, okay, multiply by 5. And the third one is divide by 9. Subtract 32, multiply by 5 and divide by 9. So what are we going to subtract from there? What we are going to subtract? 32. So we are going to subtract 32 from the first. We will do for the maximum temperature, okay, for maximum temperature. So what we have got? 123 we have got. We will subtract 32 from this 123. So when we are subtracting this 32, subtract, yes, from 123, what are you going to get? So when we subtract this, you are going to get 91, okay, 91. Now what you have to do? You have to multiply this 91 by 5. Multiply by 5. So what we will get? We will get 455, okay, 455. Now divide this 455 by 9. Now divide this 455 by 9. So what are you going to get when we divide this? Then you will see that you are going to get 50.5, okay, 50.5 when you are dividing 455 by 9. Now what you have to do? Now divide by 9. We have got this answer. Now this minimum temperature, what you have? You have minimum temperature as 96 degree Fahrenheit. So 96 degree Fahrenheit you take like this, understood? And then subtract 32 from here. Subtract 32 from here, you will get 64. And then multiply this 64 by 5. Okay, multiply this 64 by 5. How much we are going to get? We will get 320. And then this 320 we are going to divide by 9. So 320. So we are going to get 35.5. Okay, this is this we have got as a maximum temperature in degrees Celsius, and this we have got the minimum temperature in degrees Celsius. Now we have to find out the difference. Okay, so to find out the difference, what we do? we subtract minimum from maximum. Okay, minimum from maximum. So your maximum is 50.5 and the minimum is 35.5. so what are you going to get? You will get 15 degrees Celsius as the difference of the temperature. Now question number 8. In question number 8, what you have to do? The temperature of an object is given. Okay, temperature of an object is given in 30 in a Celsius scale, and the temperature of another object is given in Fahrenheit scale. Okay, so both the scales are used over here, Celsius scale also to measure the temperature and Fahrenheit scale also to measure the temperature. Now which one is hotter and by how many degree Fahrenheit? So you have to find out which one is hotter and by how many degree Fahrenheit. Suppose we are having, okay, suppose we have one temperature as 45 degree, okay, 45 degree Celsius. One object, it is 45, having temperature 45 degrees Celsius, and the another object B, suppose object A has 45 degree Celsius and object B, it has 45 degree Fahrenheit as the temperature. Now in the question it is asked which one is hotter, 45 degrees Celsius, the object having 45 degrees Celsius, is it hotter, or the object which has 45 degree Fahrenheit, it is hotter. So now what we have to do, and you have to give the answer, you have to give the answer in Fahrenheit. How? Because in the question it is asked which one is hotter and by how many degree Fahrenheit. So what 45 degree Fahrenheit we will leave like this only, and this 45 degree Celsius we are going to convert. Okay, we will convert into degree Fahrenheit. We will convert into degree Fahrenheit. So 45, how to convert this Celsius into Fahrenheit? If you can use the formula also, that F is equal to 9 by 5 C plus 32. Okay, you can use this also, 9 by 5 C plus 32. And now what is the value of C? The value of Celsius is 45. That means 9 by 5 into 45 plus 32. Okay, now when we do this, how many times? 9 times. That is 81 plus 32. Okay, 81 plus 32, how much we will get? 113 degree Fahrenheit. Now we have converted this 45 degrees Celsius into Fahrenheit. So what we get? We get 113 degree Fahrenheit. So which one is hotter? 45 degrees Celsius is hotter or 45 degree Fahrenheit? This 45 degrees Celsius has been converted into Fahrenheit, then we get 113 degree Fahrenheit. So what is hotter? Which one is hotter? 113 degree Fahrenheit or 45 degree Fahrenheit? We see that the object A is hotter because when it is converted, Celsius is converted into Fahrenheit, we get this as greater than the object B. 113 is greater than 45, and by how much? It is said that by how much it is greater. So for that what you have to do? For that you have to subtract this, okay, 45 from 113, then you are going to get the answer. This is 8 and this is 6. So by how many degree Fahrenheit it is greater? This is greater by 68 degree Fahrenheit. This is greater by 68 degree Fahrenheit. Now in the next question, in question number 9, what is said? That during the day the temperature in a town was 40 degrees Celsius. So during a day the temperature was 40 degrees Celsius. At night the temperature came down by 10 degree Fahrenheit. So here also you find that both the temperature has been given 40 degree it is in Celsius and 10 degree it is in Fahrenheit. So what we have to do over here? So in this what was the night time temperature in Fahrenheit scale? So it is asking that what was the temperature in night at Fahrenheit. So for this what we will have to do? So listen. See. In question number 9, when we see during the day the temperature in town was the temperature during daytime. Okay, temperature in or during day, right? Temperature during day. How much it is? This is 40 degree Celsius. Okay, this is 40 degrees Celsius. Now at night the temperature came down by 10 degree Fahrenheit. So at night what happened? At night the temperature came by 10 degree Fahrenheit. It became less by, temperature is less by how much? 10 degree Fahrenheit. Okay, 10 degree temperature at night, the temperature we write here. Okay, suppose at night temperature is less, okay, by 10 degree Fahrenheit. Now what we have to do? So here what was the night temperature in Fahrenheit scale? So what you will do in this, you have to find the temperature in Fahrenheit. Okay, so and by how much night temperature? First of all, for this what we will do? For this we will convert the Celsius. Okay, first we are going to convert this Celsius, degree Celsius, into Fahrenheit. How we know this? Because it is saying that what was the night time temperature in Fahrenheit scale. It is not asking that in the Celsius, it is asking to you to convert it into Fahrenheit scale. So 40 degrees Celsius we have got during daytime. Now this 40 degrees Celsius, first we will convert it into Fahrenheit scale. So I am going to use the steps which has been given in your book. So for conversion of Celsius to Fahrenheit, okay, to convert Celsius to Fahrenheit, what we are doing? First step is multiply by 9. So to convert Celsius to Fahrenheit, multiply by 9, and then the second step is divide by 5. Divide by 5, and the third one is add 32. So add 32. So what you can do in this? Multiply by 9. So this 40 degrees Celsius we have to multiply by 9. Okay, 40 degrees Celsius we have to multiply by 9. What we are going to get? We will get 360. Understood? Now this 360, what we have got, that we have to divide by 5. Now divide this with 5. So how much you are going to get? You will get 72. Okay, when you divide, you will find that this is 72. Now what you will do? Now add 32 in this. So the answer which you have got, you have to add 32 in this. So add, you will get 104. Understood? We will get 104. So that is the temperature. That is the temperature which is in the daytime. Okay, during daytime, this is your temperature during daytime. Now the question is asking, what was the night time temperature in Fahrenheit scale? This we have got during daytime. And one more line is that the temperature at night has been reduced by 10 degree Fahrenheit. So what was the temperature during daytime? It was 104 degree Fahrenheit, and in daytime this temperature has become less by 10 degree Fahrenheit. So what we will do in this? We will subtract 10 from 104. Okay, 10 from 104. What we will get? We will get 94 degree Fahrenheit. So 94 degree Fahrenheit, how we have got? Why we have done this? Because in the question it is saying that the temperature came down by 10 degree Fahrenheit. The temperature, it has come by 10 degree Fahrenheit, and that day the temperature was 104. So if it comes by 10 degree down, then we will have to subtract that. Okay, if it has risen, or the temperature has rose, then what we will write over there? We will have to add. The temperature has become less, so we are going to subtract. So 94 degree Fahrenheit is the temperature at night time. The day it is 104. In day it is 104, and in night it is 94 degree. So you can say that, see here, that the temperature has gone down by 10 degree Fahrenheit. Now question number 10. So the question number 10, what is in the question saying? I am going to explain you the process, and children, you will try to solve it yourself. Okay, now we are going to solve question number 10. Okay, question number 10. So what is in question number 10? The body temperature of a patient is 5.4 degree Fahrenheit above the normal temperature. That means the temperature of the patient is 5.4 degree above the normal. So normal temperature we should know. So the normal temperature is 98.6 degree Fahrenheit, and 5.4 degree above, that means we have to add 5.4 in the normal temperature. Okay, in the normal temperature. So 5.4 normal temperature we know, that is 98.6. Add 5.4 in this. Okay, add 5.4 in this. What we will get? See, when we add 98.6 plus 5.4, we will do it 0. 1 carried over here. 8 plus 5 is 13. 13 plus 1, 14. So write 4 here, and then 1 over here. 9 plus 1, 10. So we get 104. So 104 we get when we add this. So this is the temperature of the patient now. Okay, this is the temperature of the patient now. Now what it is said? Now it is, what is his body temperature in degree Celsius. You have to find in degree Celsius. So now we are knowing how to convert this Fahrenheit into degree Celsius. Okay, so you have to use the formula. You have to follow the steps how you are going to convert. So to convert in degree Fahrenheit to degree Celsius, what we have to do? First subtract 32. Okay, subtract 32. We will subtract 32. Understood? And then multiply that by 5. What we get the answer? We will multiply by 5. Okay, we will multiply by 5. Now what we will do? We will divide it by 9. Okay children, then we will divide it by 9. Now let us see. So what we have to subtract? From where we have to subtract 32? We have to subtract 32 from 104. So I can show you this side. 104 minus 32. Okay everyone, 104 minus 32. what you will get? See, let us do here. 104 minus 32. So this is 2, this is your 7. So that is your 72. Okay, you get 72. Now this 72, what we have to do? We have to multiply it with 5. So 72 multiplied by 5. When you multiply, let us do this also and see how much we are getting. 72, 2 5s are 10, 7 5s are 35 plus 1 from this is 360. Okay, this is 360. We have got second step we have done, first step we have done. Now divide this by 9. So this 360 which we have got, we will divide it by 9. Understood? So divide it by 9. Now what we will get? You know that how many times? In 360, when we will divide, how much you are going to get? You will get 9 4s are 36. This is 4. Okay? And this is 0 40. So this is 40. Understood? So divide by 9, we will get 40. So this is the temperature. Temperature in what? Temperature in degrees Celsius. When we have completed, we have got 40 degrees Celsius. So 104 degree Fahrenheit, when we convert into degrees Celsius, we get 40 degrees Celsius. Okay, 40 degrees Celsius. Only this you have to do in question number 10. So I think this is clear to everyone. Thank you.